Yo Sweat. Disciples Cross, Everywhere We Go Ministry. You can't really see it, but it's right at the Garden City Pier. Garden City Pier. And we were told, what, last week, Clark? That the water was dirty. Then Clark got a vision. Come on over here, Sweat. Clark had a vision. What was your vision about?
I saw a vision of water on the beach. Down the ocean.
Then we were on a prayer walk, and the Lord told me to look at the water. Again, you can't really see it, but it is brown. It is toxic. Then the Lord led us to a website. What did the website say, Clark? How long ago did we get that word before the news people even had the story? A few days before. Everywhere We Go Ministries. We're live, Garden City Pier. People are on the beach. We warn people too while we're doing our prayer walks and some evangelism. People shmugged at us, just like God said in the days of Noah. What did he say in the days of Noah? In the end times of life, what did Jesus say? And what happened when we were ministering to some people that the Lord told us to warn them about the waters being polluted? So there you go, people getting upset. But hey, the word of God says it's that people will be offended by the truth. The only question is, are you offended? Say bye, Clark. Shalom. Everywhere We Go Ministries. Disciples Cross. We're out.